Hello everyone, good morning. I welcome you again in the topic that is data handling. So many different concepts we have discussed before this: bar graph, histogram, tally mark, frequency distribution table. So now we are moving ahead and taking a step for a different type of a graph called as a pie chart, or which is also called as a circle graph. Fine. What is pie chart? And what is circle graph? Pi, you know what is the meaning of pi? Pi is the symbol or a constant value which can be equal to approximately 22 by 7. You know that. And pi is a very important value in terms of circle's area, circle's circumference. That's the reason circular graph is called as a pie chart. Fine. How pie chart look like? Just as an example, you can check here on the screen. We have some pie charts. Okay, so it's nothing but a circle is been divided in a sections. Now, in the very first question, if you check, in the very first figure, if you check, so this is something. Okay, so when you look at the first figure, you will find that this is different countries. USA takes the largest share. Then we have UK, and then we have Canada and some Australia with the green color, and the remaining countries are over here. So maybe I don't know what exactly is this, but what you have to understand here is nothing but that the every information is shown as in form of a sector. This one is nothing but called as a sector of the circle. Okay, what you could see here is nothing but sector of the circle. So even the USA is represented in form of a sector of a circle. It's a sector, right? Sector is nothing but a part of a circle. The pizza, you can check. So if I take one piece of a pizza, it's actually a sector of the circle. Sector of a circle is defined by the angle of what it makes at the center. Now imagine if this angle is 40 degree. So sector is defined by that. So how to draw a sector? If I draw a circle, and if I want to draw UK sector there in the circle, so I'll draw one radius, and I'll take a protractor and I will draw 40-degree angle here, and I'll draw another radius, and this will become my sector. So this is the way how we can easily draw the sector, right? So sector in the pie chart or in the circle graph, the information is represented in form of a circle, in form of sector in the circle, and sector is defined by angle, the central angle, right? There are different three-dimensional pie charts as well, like the second figure if you check, even the third figure if you check, it's a three-dimensional diagrams. But what we have to draw in this here is nothing but just a 2D diagram like the first one. Okay, so let us understand one simple example of this category. Okay, so let us see a very simple example. Like imagine I have 5 students of mine. One is A, B, C and D, right? And these five students, I gave them my some books, okay, for a particular year. So number of books. So the A student I gave 5 books, for B I gave 3, for C I gave 7, and for D again 5 books I gave. Okay, now I have to draw the pie chart of this. So how will I draw the pie chart of this information which is here on the board? Okay, let us see what can I do. तो you know that कि pie chart का मतलब होता है I have to draw a circle. Okay, ये क्या हो गया? Just a minute. Okay, I have to draw a circle. So, and in the circle I have to draw sectors so that will represent the given information. But isn't it these sectors are supposed to be in proportion with the value here? They are supposed to be in proportion with the value. So that's the problem when we draw the pie chart. So let us see what can we do. How can we do this? तो उसके लिए एक सिंपल सा वे होता है, एक टेबल बनाओ. कैसे होता है? एक अगर सर्कल है तो सर्कल का जो एंगल होता है, टोटल एंगल, it is supposed to be 360 degree, isn't it? If I draw a circle, the complete angle is nothing but equal to 360 degree. I hope you know that. So if I draw this circle and if I draw all these angles inside it, the addition of all these angles is going to be equal to 360 degree. So total angle of a circle is always 360 degree, isn't it? So I have to compare this total with the total number of books that what I have rendered to them. So I'll just go for total here. So total of this one is, I think, 20. Okay. So the A has got 5 books out of 20. So how much is this fraction in terms of 360 degree? That I have to find out, and accordingly I will get the angle. Right? Is this clear? So just if I multiply this by 360, I'll get the angle. That means 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are, and 4 ones are 4, 9s are, and 90. So it is 90 degree. Okay? Then next one, if I take 3 out of 20 into 360. Okay, if I check that, this one if I do, so it's very clear. It's not divisible basically, but still I'll check it. 0 0 is getting cancelled. 2 ones are, 2 18s are, 18 threes are, 54 degree. Right? 7 out of 20 into 360. Right? 7. 7 is the number of books I gave you. Let us take a approximate answer of this one, because it is again divisible. है divisible. 18 sevens are, what is 18 sevens are? 7 8s are 56. 6 5 carry, 7 ones are 7 plus 5 12. So it is 126 degree. Right? And last one, it is 5 out of 20. So 5 out of 20 into 360. How is that equals to 90 degree? Again, because the first one was the same. So I took it directly 90 degree. So if you add all these angles, surely it is supposed to be 360. You can add and check. If you add these angles, it is going to be 360 degree. Okay. So now what I have to do, I have to draw a circle. I have to draw a circle. Then I'll draw one simple radius, considering a center. And then I'll draw first angle, 90 degree. So I'll take a protractor and I'll draw the 90 degree angle in this manner. Right? Then we'll draw 54 degree, maybe in this way. Okay. Then we'll go for 126 degree using protractor in this way. And remaining has to be 90 degree. Clear? So I'll write it here. This is 90 degree. This is how much? 54 degree. This is how much? 126 degree. And this is again 90 degree. This is represented A, and this sector represented B. This sector represented C, and this sector represented D. And that's it. My pie chart is done. Clear? I just hope you are understanding the idea of this fraction converting into angle. Okay, so the fraction, that is 5 out of 20, I converted into angle by multiplying by 360. Why did I multiply by 360? The reason behind I multiplied it by 360 is the total angle of circle is 360. Okay, let's take one more example. Let's go for one more. Imagine if I have few buffaloes. 3 buffaloes I have. Okay, and they give milk. Okay, some milk they give. Now when they give me milk, buffalo A, buffalo B, and buffalo C. These are 3 buffaloes. So buffalo A shares around about 50% of my income. Matlab whatever I income get from the milk of these buffalo, 50% is by A. Okay, B gives me 30% of income, and C gives me 20% of income. Okay, so these are the percentage of income I get. Okay, so what is the total here? Total income 100%. Total is supposed to be 100. It has to be 100, isn't it? So it is 100%. So now I have to draw the pie chart of it. Okay, so let's see how can I draw the pie chart of it. Pie chart के लिए हमारे पास सर्कल है, ठीक है, लेकिन सर्कल डायरेक्टली यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. इफ़ आई ड्रॉ 50 डिग्री एंड ऑल, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. सो आई हैव टू गेट द एंगल. तो 50% मीन्स हाउ मच एंगल इट इज़. तो इट इज़ 50. इट इज़, ये क्या हो गया, so it is 50 upon 100 is a fraction into of course 360 degree, right? So this get cancelled, 5 ones are 5 twos are 10 and 2 18s are correct. नहीं, गलत है, 180 degree, right? So we have this as equals to 180 degree. Then we have 30 degree. How much is 30 degree? 30 upon 100, total is 100 into 360. How much is that equal to? This is equals to, let us see, 0 0 get cancelled, ये 0 get cancelled, and 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 108 degree, right? And then remaining 20 degree, 20 upon 100 into 360 degree, 0 0 get cancelled, 0 get cancelled, 254 degree maybe, okay. No 2 and 62 degree, sorry, 62 degree, correct. 72, sorry, 72 degree. All right. So now I can easily draw this. First of all, 180 degree. How can I go for 180 degree? Is very clear. Simply if you draw a straight line passing through the center, then that's it. It will be 180 degree, isn't it? Right? 180 degree. Now I'll just mark the center. I can go for 108 degree. So here I have 108 degree. If I draw in this way, this will be 108 degree. This is going to be 180 degree, and the remaining one has to be 72 degree, and that's it. So this is my A, this is B, and here is C. Clear? Getting it? So you can try few questions today in this manner. But ये जो दिख रहा है ये, isn't it, this look like a very haphazard way that what I'm just calculating and drawing there. So here I will just help you in understanding the presentation of this particular part. How can we present it? Fine. So I'll just show you that. First of all, what I have to do, I have to prepare a table itself directly. So here is buffalo. Vertical table I'm going to make. The milk in percentage. Milk income you can say in percentage. And angle. So buffalo A, buffalo B, buffalo C, milk, how much it gives you? 50%, 30%, and 20%, right? Write the total of it. कितना हो जाएगा? 100. Then I'll find out the angle. Angle कैसे find करते हैं? 50 upon total into 360 degree. Okay, the 50 upon total into 360. It's a very simple idea. So you can easily find out this angle. It is 180 degree. ये रफली फाइंड करो, यहाँ पे आंसर लिखो. दिस विल बी 30 अपॉन 100 इंटू 360. ये भी रफली फाइंड करो, योर आंसर विल बी 108. ओके, यहाँ यहीं पे मत करना, डू इट एज अ रफ वर्क एंड देन राइट द आंसर हियर. देन वी हैव 20 अपॉन 100 इंटू 360 विच विल बी इक्वल टू 72 डिग्री. सो दीज आर द एंगल्स विच वी गेट. Prepare this table and then complete the pie chart drawing a circle. Okay, I know there can be difficulty in construction of angle. If you find construction in sense using protractor, you don't have to construct using compass. You can use protractor to draw the angles. So while drawing angle, if you find any difficulty, let me know. I will help you in showing you how to draw the angles as well. Okay, so you can try few examples. I'll just give you some examples like this itself. You can try with this. I'll just erase everything. तो इसको भी आपको टेबल बनाना है जैसे मैंने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में बताया था, right? This example you can try and this example also you can try. Okay, and let me know whether you can get this question or no. Fine. So but proper presentation and proper with proper understanding. ठीक है, तो both the questions you can try and give me the feedback. If you are able to construct the angles, then it's okay. If you're not able to construct angle, then let me know, I'll teach you accordingly. Clear? So I'll just show you the text if you want. So these are the pie chart. Okay, this is the way how it is done in the text. देख लो. Some example, and the angle, the central angle is written here, central angle. Could you see that? This is the way how it is done. So it is there the same way in the text as well. Okay, you don't have to worry. So try those two questions. Maybe you will able to do that. Exercise में से एक question भी कर देते हैं हम लोग. Yes, here is the exercise. What you can do is you can try with the third one. Okay, third one you will be trying. Okay, other questions will be doing tomorrow. Only third question from the exercise you will be completing, which is here right now on the board. You can check that. Okay, third question you're going to draw. So will you complete it today? So those two questions and this third one you will try to complete it. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. Let me see what is left now. One more exercise is there. I think it's a probability kind of exercise. So I think it's easy compared to the other questions. It is other exercises, it is easy. So we are left with only one more exercise. So please try to complete it as early as possible. Okay, which question I told you, the third one you have to complete, and the two questions which I said in the video. Fine. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.